Alright, so let's look at thinking. Thinking. Thinking state verbs. Thinking. So believe. Believe. I believe that. I believe that's correct. You heard something. You heard something, or you were told something, or you read it, and you just believe it. Believe. Believe. I believe him. I believe it. I believe him. I believe what he said. I haven't seen it for myself. I haven't done it nor been there, but I believe what he said. He said that it is very hot in Spain. I've not been there, but I believe him. I believe he is telling the truth. I believe he is correct. I believe it. The machine says it's really hot, but it doesn't look very hot, overheating. But I believe the indicators. I believe what the machine is telling me. Yeah, believe. And doubt. Like, nah, I don't think so. Nah, no way. No. It's telling me something like, really? Really? Nah, I don't believe that. Nah, that's not right. I see it with my own eyes. The weather says it's raining. I doubt that. It's sunny outside. Nah, I doubt that. Nah, no way. Not real. Not true. Not true. Not real. Yeah. And no. I know what to do. I knew you'd be there. I know where it is. You know for definite, 100%. I know where the pens are. They're over there. And I know where to get more pens. I know how to record the lesson. I know what I'm doing. I know how to use a whiteboard. I know that the suspenders are pretty unusual, but I like them. I know I need to be presentable before I start recording. I know I need a good pen. I know that using red stands out from the black when I'm teaching a lesson. Very important stuff. You know something for definite. And mean. Now, you could say mean as in, do you mean this or that? I mean to say, we want to go there. Do you mean that you want to go there or here? I mean, we need to go there now. Like when you're correcting yourself. Do you want to go left or right? Do you mean you want to go that way or this way? Left or right? Yeah, I mean this way or that way. Yeah, I mean, what I really mean to say is, do you want to go that way or do you want to go that way? Do you want to have dessert now or dessert later? Do you mean, do I want to have sweet stuff or savoury food first? What do you mean by that? You say something, but what do you mean? What is that? Tell me more. Explain. Explain to me. Explain. Explain to me. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What's this? What do you mean the pen is out of ink? Oh dear. And think. Think. Thinking and think. I think that is safer than that. I think that is cheaper than that. I think that is healthier than this. I think red is better for teaching with, and I think black is good for writing the words, writing the lesson material with. I think red matches the suspenders. How cool is that? I think white matches the whiteboard. I think the beard is very nice. Very good. I think my hair needs combing. There we are. And I think my glasses need cleaning. Maybe. Maybe. What I mean is they're a bit cloudy. They're a bit dirty. Because I believe that they're too dirty for me. I doubt they look very, very professional, very elegant. So I know I need to do something about it, otherwise they look dirty. And I think that's better. Very good. I think that's better. Now understand. Understand. To know, you understand, like to get something, to get it, to get something. To get something. When someone is teaching you something or telling you directions, left here, then right, then up and down, and the left again, do you understand? Oh, I know what you're saying. I get you. Ah, I understand. Ah, right. So, for example, we could say, how would we get to the train station from here? Well, we need to go down this road, turn right, then turn left, then turn right, and follow the road round, turn left, follow it down, straight down, turn right, turn left, follow it up, turn left again. Ah, I understand now how to get to the train station. I understand which way to go. I get you now. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. Otherwise, it's I don't understand. The inverse, the opposite, I don't. Do not. I don't understand. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think this is blue. I don't think it is. I didn't mean that. I don't mean go that way. I mean go this way. I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to say that. Did and did not. Did and did not. Or didn't. Didn't. I didn't mean to do that. Or I don't doubt him. I just don't believe him. I don't believe him. Nah. I don't doubt it, but it's going to happen eventually. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know who said that. I don't know what's going on. Mean. Do you mean that he did it before or did it after the party? Think. I think he did it before he came to the party. So before. As I understand it, as I understand what happened, he did it before on purpose. Yeah, so how cool is that? Believe, doubt, know, mean, think, understand. Let's keep going, language explorers. Let's keep going.